you to the living area. This is the wide and a spacious living area. Two parallel platforms and a wide spacious. This is the spacious place where you can put the king size bed.
Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing sample flat
Of Walchand Avenue by Walchand Developer located in Mira Road. Now talking about, I'm here at the actual location. Behind me is the actual tower. Now talking about the main road and surrounding. As you can see, this is the main road that leads to the highway. Before proceeding ahead, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. Now talking about project overview. This project is constructed over 1 acre of land parcel, standalone tower with G+32 story residential floors having premium residencies of 1 and 2 BHK. We have Jodi options also available. Now talking about the amenities part. This project has 20 plus luxurious amenities with likes of gym, clubhouse, kids play area, multipurpose hall, multipurpose court and many more. Now talking about the location part. This project is located at Lakshmi Park, Kanakya Road. Talking about connectivity, Mira Road station is just 3 km away, upcoming metro station 1.5 km away and Western Express Highway just 5 minutes away from this project. To know more projects in this location, click on the I button. So now let's go ahead with the sample flat tour. अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे sample flat tour की ओर 2 BHK, but before that मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी हमारी actual lobby. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मैं actual tower में हूँ. अब हम चलते हैं हमारे 2 BHK sample flat पर, जिसका carpet area है 607. This is the entrance of the sample flat. Let me take you to the living area. This is the wide and a spacious living area, जहाँ पर आप बैठ के अपना टेलीविजन टीवी अच्छे से एंजॉय कर सकते हो. This is the French windows for the lighting, ventilation and serene living. ये पूरे फ्लैट में आपको ऐसे विट्रीफाइड टाइलिंग मिलेगी. Now let me take you ahead to the dining spacious area. So यहाँ पर आपकी फैमिली अच्छे से डिनर एंजॉय कर सकती है. अब बारी है आपको बताने की स्टोरेज एरिया, जहाँ पर आप अपने सारे सामान अच्छे से प्लेस कर सकते हो. Now I am taking you to the kitchen area. Come on. So right hand side में you can see the kitchen area with 2 parallel platforms and a wide spacious place and a distance. यहाँ पर आप अपना वॉशिंग मशीन प्लेस कर सकते हैं एंड यहाँ पर आपको प्लेस मिलेगा फॉर योर रेफ्रिजरेटर. अब मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी दिस इज़ द विंडो एरिया फॉर द लाइटनिंग एंड वेंटिलेशन पर्पस. अब बारी है आपको दिखाने की कॉमन वॉशरूम. सो दिस इज़ द कॉमन वॉशरूम with the CP-centric high-end fittings, anti-skid tilings as part of your furnishing. अब बारी है देखने की कॉमन बेडरूम. चलिए आइए. So this is the wide and a spacious common bedroom, जहाँ पर आप अपना बेड प्लेस कर सकते हो and this is the French windows for lightning, ventilation and serene living. So ये कितना वाइड है आप देख सकते हो. यहाँ पर आपका बेड अच्छे से प्लेस होगा, टेलीविजन, AC सारी चीज़ें आ सकती हैं. Now I would love to take you ahead to the master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you what Housey key features is. Housey provides you with actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedule, actual 360-degree location tour. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now we'll go ahead to the master bedroom. As you enter, on the right hand side you can see a washroom with anti-skid tiling, CP-centric high-end fittings. This is the entrance of the master bedroom. And after taking you to the master bedroom, this is the spacious place where you can put the king size bed, the television, AC, and also let me show you the wide French windows for lighting, ventilation and serene living. So this is the entire sample flat of 2 BHK of Walchand Avenue. If you like this project, download the brochure in the link given below.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.